Hello, am I audible? Hello. So please confirm me the question you want to ask. Suppose the content of both bag from question one are put in the same bag, right? Is this the same picture?
Yes.
Okay. So you just want me to solve. You wanted to know the exact solution so that you can match up your answer, or want me to proceed step by step?
Um, I want to know the answer for A if it matches, but I need help with B and C.
Okay. Look. Okay. Let's scaffold this question. Okay. They are saying, suppose the content of both bag from question 1 are put in the same bag. Two marbles are drawn without replacement. Do you know what does it mean by without replacement? I need to put it back or I need to put it out. What does it mean by without replacement?
So like if I had 8 marbles, it wouldn't be replaced. So if I were to times it and do it by another marble,
Yes.
it'd be 8/24, and then it'd be like 7/23 because I'm taking away.
Yes, yes, without replacement means yes, you are correct. I'm taking away, then I'm taking out the other one, right? Now look, it's written what is the probability of both marble are white. So in this case, the total marbles are, you have written 8, 9, and 7, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 7, okay, you have written 24, that is correct. So yes, this is correct. You have written 8 over 24, this is correct. Okay. Then after, you have confusion regarding the first one.
Oh, not really. I just want to make sure I'm doing
Yes,
it
yes, you are
correctly.
doing it correctly. Just because, look, for the first case, how many voids are there? There are total 8, okay, and total
Mm-hmm.
24. Now, suppose one white is already out. You have taken one white as already out. So, how many whites are still there in the bag? 7. So,
7.
that's why you have written 7. And how many total you are left with? If out of
23.
23. So yes, this is the case. And why you have written multiplication? Just because they are occurring together. It's not an option that you have to pick
Yeah.
it first one and the second one. Okay. So this is correct. You are doing it
Okay.
correctly. Okay. So
Okay.
you just have to make it reduce it. You can, either you can write the answer in decimal or you can write in the lowest fraction. Means you have to reduce it. This value.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So do it with. It's okay.
Yeah.
You can do it with me, the first part. Let me know what is the answer of the first part.
I did reduce it, but then I skipped because we're not supposed to do it. It's 7/69. Um, but they want it in a decimal, so I put it to 0.101.
Okay. 8 times 7. Let us cross check. Okay. Directly. Right. Correct. Correct. But in decimal, this is absolutely correct. Okay. Let's do the second one.
Okay.
Okay. So now in the second one, let me take this picture back again. So now let's do it the second one. Okay. They are saying, uh, read the question, what they are saying, and let me know.
What is the probability that neither marble is
Yes,
red?
neither marble is red means it has to be red or not red.
Yes. Not
Not
red.
correct, absolutely correct. So, except this red, first, how many total there are? Total in the first case,
20,
20,
24 altogether, but
24.
that's including the red
Yes,
marbles. So it would be 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15,
no,
because
out of
not including the red marbles.
total, while taking out, the total will be the for the first one. Okay, if you are taking the first ball from this bag, so right now there are total 24 only. They are saying except this red, I want it. So what is the chance of getting white and green? So it is 8 plus 7, 15 by 24. Total will remain as same total. Okay? The
Okay.
condition will be only for the numerator part, the favorable one. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
now for the second case. So how we wrote 15, let me know again how we wrote 15.
So 15 over
Yes.
24 as a fraction?
Yes. Why we have written 15?
Um, Give me 1 second. Let me do the
Okay.
math. It would be 5/8, but it would be a fraction 0.625.
Okay. Now,
Uh,
what is the we have to take one more ball. Okay. Now in the second case, how many total are still there in the bag? If I one is already
Well, no,
yes,
it'd be 23
correct,
because if we're taking
correct.
one.
And look, I'm selecting the ball from white and green, right? Suppose the white one is out now. One white is already out. How many? So one white is out, so that means there are seven in the bag, right? Seven
Yeah,
white, and how many greens are there still in the bag?
7
Seven green.
green.
So in the numerator, what will be the value?
14.
14. Okay, is it clear? The total
Yes.
will remain same. The total will remain same. The numerator part will be according to your condition. Okay. Now
Okay.
reduce it. Can I reduce it by the
Um, Give me 1 second. Would it can't be reduced.
uh, you are just simply exactly you divided this. Uh, reduce means look 14 and 24 I can reduce by the table of 2.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay. Can I
Okay.
is it clear? Can I
Yes.
reduce this 15 and 12 by the table of 3?
Um,
By the table of 3. 3 5 15.
mm, yes. Would it
Mm-hmm.
um would it be 32 over 92? Because that's the math I just did in my on my paper. Would that be the reduced fraction?
What you're saying? Either you can write in a
Or-
decimal form, it's okay. What you can do 15 times
Oh,
14 divided by 24 times 23. Okay? Either you can write your
okay.
answer in decimal form. No need to do this calculation if you are just stuck up. Okay? Just multiply 15 times 14. Let me know what is the answer. 15 times 14
So
times
15
14
times 14
is
is
210.
210.
In the bottom, multiply 24 and 23.
552.
552. So now I can just write, just divide 210 by 552.
It would be
Correct.
0.380.
Okay, is it clear? Okay,
Yes.
shall we proceed with the last part? Okay, now the
Okay.
last part. Read what's the what is the condition? Look, read what is the condition?
What what is the probability that the first marble is red and the second marble is
Yes.
green?
So for the first case, how many total there are still?
24.
24, and I need only red. So for getting red, what is the number? 9, 8, 7, or any other thing? For getting red, 9.
9.
So for the first one, it will be 9 over 24. Okay? For the
Okay.
second case, how many total are there in the bag?
23
3.
now.
For the second case, I need green. How many greens are there still in the bag? 7.
7.
So it will be 7 over 23. Is it clear? So
Yes.
now 7 times 9 will give me
That would be 63.
63, and the bottom part we have just calculated, it was 552. Divide 63 by 552.
Um, it
Mm-hmm.
is so 63 divided by, is it 63 divided by
Yes.
552? Okay, it is 0.114.
0.114. Correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we did the case of without replacement. Okay. So that's why the total was reduced by one. Okay. Any
Okay.
doubt?
Thank you so much.
Any other doubt? Can
No,
you
that's
please
all.
rate once you end the session?
What was that?
Please do rate once you end the session. Okay. Please do rate.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank